The Credit Pros is a credit repair company that provides tools and services to help clients improve their credit scores. Since its establishment in 2009, the company has garnered a reputation for its effective strategies and transparency in dealing with credit-related issues. They offer a range of services, including credit consultation, credit repair, and credit education. The Credit Pros aims to empower individuals to achieve their financial goals by leveraging professional credit repair services. The Credit Pros provides a comprehensive suite of features. These include unlimited disputes of inaccurate credit report items, debt validation letters to creditors, cease and desist letters to collection agencies, and goodwill letters to creditors. They also offer a personalized credit score improvement analysis, 24/7 access to client portal and mobile app, and identity theft protection services. The Credit Pros ensures that every client receives personalized attention and a customized plan. The Credit Pros offers three pricing tiers. The Money Management Plan costs $69 per month. The Prosperity Package is priced at $119 per month, and the Success Package is $149 per month. Each tier offers different services with more comprehensive features and tools available in the higher price plans. However, they all include unlimited disputes and 24/7 client portal access. The Credit Pros also offers a one-time enrollment fee of $119 to $149, depending on the selected plan. The Credit Pros is ideal for individuals struggling with poor credit scores due to inaccuracies in their credit reports. It's also great for those who lack the time or expertise to navigate the complex credit repair process. If you're dealing with identity theft or fraud, their services can be particularly beneficial. Lastly, if you're planning to apply for a loan or mortgage and need to improve your credit score quickly, the Credit Pros can be a valuable resource. The Credit Pros provide several advantages. They offer a free consultation, allowing you to understand the potential benefits before committing. The company's transparent approach ensures that you're always informed about the progress. They have a robust client portal and mobile app for easy access to your account information. The Credit Pros also offers unlimited dispute letters, which can be a significant advantage for those with numerous inaccuracies in their credit reports. Despite its benefits, the Credit Pros also has some limitations. The service can be costly, especially for those on a tight budget. The enrollment fee can be a barrier for some potential clients. Also, the services don't guarantee a specific outcome or credit score improvement. The results can vary significantly depending on individual circumstances. Lastly, while they provide 24/7 access to the client portal, their customer service is not available round the clock. In conclusion, the Credit Pros provides a comprehensive and professional credit repair service that can be beneficial for many individuals. They offer a wide range of features, personalized attention, and a transparent approach. However, the cost may be prohibitive for some, and the results can vary. It's essential to consider your personal situation, budget, and specific needs before deciding if the Credit Pros is the right choice for you. The Credit Pros offers comprehensive credit repair services, including unlimited disputes and 24/7 portal access. Their personalized and transparent approach sets them apart. However, their services come at a significant cost, and the results can vary. It's crucial to weigh these factors and consider your unique needs when deciding to use their services. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Credit Pros. We hope this analysis has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Remember, managing your credit is a crucial part of your financial health. Choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this. We appreciate your support and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content. Thank you and take care.